the desert man and the prophet who taught him the beauty of character. The sun was setting over Medina, and the heat of the day was slowly disappearing. The prophet Muhammad was sitting after the prayer, surrounded by people who were listening to him with respect. Suddenly, a man from the desert arrived. He was rough, tired, and sunburned, and he walked quickly, without any manners. When he reached the prophet, he shouted loudly, "O Muhammad, give me from the wealth that you have." The companions became angry. Some wanted to stop him or speak harshly to him, but the prophet stayed calm, smiled gently, and said, "Speak softly to me, my brother." The desert man replied, softly, "I am hungry. I have no money. I came from far away. I need food and clothes." The prophet did not get upset. His face did not change. He simply said, "Come with me." He took the man to his house and gave him what he had, some dates, some flour, and a simple piece of clothing. The man took them, but said again, "This is not enough." The companions were shocked and upset, but the prophet once more said, "Come, I will give you more." He gave him more food, another piece of clothing, and more dates. This time, the man became quiet. His face softened, his anger disappeared, and he said, "God forgive me. I did not expect you to be so kind." The prophet smiled and replied, "You came from far away. This is our home. What we have belongs to God. Do not be sad." When the man left, the prophet told his companions, "If you had spoken harshly to him at the beginning, he would have become our enemy, but with kindness, we won his heart." But the story did not end there. The next day, the prophet told the companions, "Bring that desert man back to me." They brought him. The companions thought he might be corrected or warned, but the prophet gently asked him, "How were you yesterday, and how do you feel today?" The man replied, "By God, yesterday I did not like you, but today I love you more than anyone I have met." The prophet placed his hand on the man's shoulder and said, "This is Allah's guidance. Hearts are won with gentleness, not harshness." The man stood up before everyone and said, "O people, Muhammad is the best of all men. He gave to me, he was kind to me, and he changed my heart. If you want to learn good character, learn it from him." That day, the man who came with anger and disrespect left with love and faith, not because of force, not because of punishment, but because of the character, patience, and kindness of the prophet.